I'm happy to say hi to you from 3D Experience World 2025. The very first version of SOLIDWORKS was launched in 1995, which means we are celebrating 30th year of SOLIDWORKS. It's a big milestone for us. When we started with the single concept of allowing our clients to convert their ideas into a virtual twin in order for it to take it to manufacturing. And in fact, over the number of years, we have taken it from virtual twin to manufacturing, to virtual twin to creating a lot of those virtual twins to select the right product. Not even that, being able to simulate that with scientific simulation to precisely define where your products are going to work or not work in the real world. So we have always helped you and our users in order to create virtual twins. Now, with that, we are able to now give you more power in order to play those experiences. Imagine a robot. You build a robot. You want to see how robot moves, how kinematics happen, how fingers grasp things, and so on, right? And we also want to give you the capability to imagine that with not just a flat screen, but with all your sensory inputs by immersing yourself in a realistic environment, in a virtual environment, in order to get the true feeling of what that virtual object is going to be. But that is just the beginning. Can we take you to the next level where all the IP that you have created over the last 30 years, can we convert that, or can we put it in a secure environment? And once we secure it, the next level is that can we convert it can we extract the knowledge and know-how that you have generated over the last 30 years, generating or extracting that knowledge and know-how. We will be able to give you virtual twins with which you will be able to do a lot of generative AI in a helpful way to make you more productive. So first part, I would say it's evolutionary, virtual twin for everything and everyone that you play experiences with all your sensory organs. That's evolution. The second one is revolution, because you collect all your IP created over the years, extract the knowledge and know-how embedded in that IP, and use virtual companions in order to do productive work that you could not do without. So this is our big vision. Now, in that big vision, the beauty is that we are the software, SOLIDWORKS, we are the ones who are creating the environment in which you can convert your ideas into reality. So you create, let's say you want to create an object. How do you create an object? Come up with an idea. With that idea, once you convert it into a virtual twin, how do you get that real object in the fastest possible way? In fact, doing any additive manufacturing process, using any additive manufacturing process is the right tool there, because using that additive manufacturing process, you do not have to produce things in large quantities. You can create one-off, unique objects, create that object, give it to your client. They can figure it, they can feel it, they can use it by using the real object without you investing a lot of money in infrastructure and resources. You can still create that object. Now, to create that, AI is going to be extremely helpful, because with AI, if we are able to help our clients come up with these virtual objects in a faster way, in fact, not just that, from that virtual object, we are able to even use AI in order to do additive manufacturing in a more, productive way. We can streamline everything where you go from idea all the way to delivering objects seamlessly. Now, this is providing the next revolution where a lot of startups are able to go from idea all the way to physical objects in a very fast way. We see a lot of startups, in fact, using these technologies. I would say the typical success rate is same like in any industry. If there are 100 startups, 20 of them are able to succeed. But you know what? Because of virtual twins, you are able to also predict whether you are going to be successful or not fast. So in fact, there is a good saying in startup industry that if you have to fail, fail fast. Because if you fail fast, you do not waste money and resources. So even there, we help our clients to come up with ideas with which they can go into production fast. If they are not going to succeed, they also realize that fast, which is also important because they can pivot to new ideas. So overall, with all these technologies, I personally believe that we are going to help our startup industry, no matter where they are, to become more successful over the number of years. Hopefully you enjoyed this show and you're going to learn a lot from this event.